Yo guys, what's happening? We are back for another reaction, and today we are going to be reacting to Sounds of the Skeng by Stormzy. It's a music video, seen a clip of it, it looks fucking sick, man. So without further ado, we're just going to get straight into it, man. Here is Sounds of the Skeng by Stormzy. Kind of little sound of music thing there.
Sick. 5 whole years on the circuit, every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip more than reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's like a bitch, I'll stay bro, I'ma make it look. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest. I go the fastest.
Oh wait, those kids were in Vossy Bop, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure they were.
And then nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my belt like kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up and waste my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the same, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are my different. Nigga, I miss the same, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Emirates.
This is sick. I really like this so far. This is sick.
And I never get moved up facts. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude, but you do the maths. I look G in the south, but I live in the States now. We living about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boo, but it's funny, it fits now. The sauce gonna stick to my swag and tricks now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up and waste my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the same, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again.
This is sick, man. Really liking the vibe, man. Really liking the vibe.
Please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. Controls, fist on point. The opposing your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My stiff big like miss this joint. Little niggas trying to hit this joint. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Big in person, with an excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't part like President flips this joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint. But man might man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up and waste my skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that.
I like that shot, man. The mountain shot.
Start howling again, my dogs are my different. Nigga, I miss the same, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Like that shot, love that shot, man. That's sick. That was sick, man. Sorry I wasn't pure hype and everything. I was just like really engrossed in the video. So that's why I wasn't like pure hype, man. Also, you guys have been giving me shit whenever I've been doing my reaction videos, saying that my dancing is awful. Of course my dancing's awful, I can't fucking dance, but I'm feeling the tune, man, so fucking just take a fucking chill pill. But anyway, yeah, man, loved that, thought it was fucking sick. Decent song, fucking class video. Stormzy's killing it at the minute, man. He's done, I realise this is like 2 weeks old almost, but he done a Wiley Flow which I've reacted to, so if you've not seen that, go check that out on my channel. But yeah, he's killing it right now. New album's coming from Stormzy as well. Obviously, a few months ago he released Vossy Bop as well, which is obviously going to be on the new album, and he released Crown. So yeah, he's gave us some songs off the album. I imagine this album's going to be packing with tunes. And we might see maybe 1 or 2 more before he, you know, gives us a release date for the album. But who knows, I'm just speculating. But it's been killing it, man. This has been a great sort of 2 months there for UK rap music, man. And Professor Green's EP fucking was at top of the charts. His single was at top of the charts. And Professor Green's new EP is fucking sick. And then so is his song Got It All. Then Stormzy's out there killing it. H released his EP, fucking topped the charts with that, killed it. It's a good time, man. But that's it, man. That's it for this video. I'm going to go and have a shave and then go in the hot tub and chill the fuck out. But thank you so much for watching. If you subscribe, that'd be great. Bang on the notifications. Leave a comment if there's anything you want me to react to. I really fucking appreciate your time. Have a good day.